find the exact solutions of the equation 6x squared equals 1 minus 3x by completing the square. So what I can do is, this I can write it as 6x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals 0. So then the terms containing the x, if we are going to use those terms to complete the square, we leave the constant term alone. Okay, so what we do is, now we want the term x squared to be on its own, so I'm going to take 6 outside the bracket and write x squared plus 3 out of 6x, because I'm dividing it by 6, then minus 1 is 0, so instead of 3 out of 6 I can write 1 out of 2, because 3 divided by 6 is half. So then I write 6 times x squared plus, so it's like x plus, or I should say a plus b whole square is a square plus twice of ab plus b square. So this twice of ab is what contains 1 of a. So we have x here, so I'd have to write twice of, to get half I'm going to make it 1 out of 4 x minus 1. So now because I've added some term, sorry, that's not it, sorry, I have to add the term, plus 1 out of 4 whole square minus, there's already a minus 1, now I have to take away this extra term that I have added, so that's 1 out of 4 whole square, because this term is already equal to this term, right? So minus 1 out of 4 times, it's not 1 out of 4, it's actually 1 out of 16, and then I have to, it's not 1 out of 16, it's multiplied by 6, so it's actually 6 out of 16. So then I get, so therefore, if I say now therefore, I can write 6 times x plus 1 out of 4 whole square plus, this I can simplify, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so I can say denominator 8, numerator 8, or I can say minus, not plus, 8 plus 3, that equals 0, that equals 0. Okay, so then I can write, therefore 6 times x plus 1 out of 4 whole square minus 11 out of 8 equals 0. So I can write 6 times x plus 1 out of 4 whole square is 11 out of 8. So x plus 1 out of 4 whole square is 11 out of 48. 6 times 8. So then we get x plus 1 out of 4 is plus or minus square root of 11 out of 48. So then x equals minus 1 out of 4 plus or minus 11 out of 48. So this is your answer, minus 1 out of 4 plus 11 out of 48, or minus 1 out of 4 minus 11 out of 48. Now this term 11 out of 48, I can rationalize the denominator, because I can write 11 out of 48, I can multiply it with 3, numerator and denominator, and I will get root 33 out of 144. So I can write root 33 out of 12. So I can now write this equals minus 1 out of 4. So square root of 33 divided by 12. So that is the these are the solutions.